Hey guys, it's the Cool Creators again. This time we're here with a cool clay slime video. We hope you enjoy making this fun toy, and please like and subscribe the video.
First, we are going to put all the dry ingredients in a big bowl. Now stir it until all the ingredients are mixed evenly. Now put water and oil in a separate bowl and stir it. Now add some food coloring of any color you want.
Now stir it until it's a rich color and it's the right color that you want. Now slowly add some of the liquid into the dry mixture. Start stirring it after every few bits. That way it's not too liquidy and neither is it too dry. After you have added some of the liquid and mixed it, add a bit more from the bowl and mix it until it's a good consistency. It might be a little too thick, so add a little more of the liquid. Soon it'll start to take form of something like oobleck or clay. Now add a little bit more of cornstarch or flour if it's a little more like oobleck. Now continue to add a little more of the flour and more of the liquid mixture if it is still too much like oobleck. After you've done that, let it dry for about half a minute. After about half a minute, once it has dried, you can have a lot of fun with this semi-solid.
Thanks for watching and have fun.